What's going on, guys? My name is Roscoe. Welcome back to my channel where I cover streetwear and sneaker related products. In today's video, I have the best sneaker that dropped during All-Star Weekend. Let's take a look at it. I got the delayed W on this sneaker. It is the Nike AF1 Swoosh Pack. I got it in the black colorway. It came in 3 colorways: black, white, and sail. The reason why I went with the black is because of the neon checks that come with it. I think it's such a dope feature with the customization that you could do with this shoe. With the neon and the black. The neon just pops off the black sneaker. The sail colorway had the pastel colors, and the white had, I want to say, more basic colorways, which was blue, red, and yellow, which I think was dope, but the black with the neon I think was just better, in my opinion. Now, I got this sneaker from StockX. I'll show you right now, give you proof. I got the verified. I got it from StockX. I buy a lot of my sneakers from StockX. I like working with them. It's just a great site. I like how I can put in a price that I'm willing to pay for it, and if I get it, I get it. If not, I wait. Which was exactly what I did with the shoe. I ended up paying $130 for this shoe. The shoe retailed for $110. So a little bit above retail price, but it's a price point I thought was, I was willing to pay at that. So it worked out. That Nike jumped on the customization train. They were so against it in like years past. The reason why I'm saying that is because there was a designer named by John Greiger. He went to Nike with a design where he put like 4 or 5 checks on a Nike Air Force 1 high. And they basically turned him away. They said that they would never do that, la da da da, like that's stupid. And I think he went off and he ended up making his own customization and selling on the side. And actually, that's probably one of my Grail sneakers. I'll put a picture of them up right here. They're called Misplaced Checks. They go for like $500 plus, I think, because they're made to order, which is ridiculous. But it's just funny that they're finally jumping on this customization train. They started off with the Travis Scotts, which the Travis Scotts are obviously a better shoe than this, but the Travis Scotts, as soon as I walk outside with them, I think they're just going to get completely dirty. It's like an all-white knit sneaker, sort of. I haven't seen them in hand yet, but I don't know. I'm not paying $400 plus for an all-white sneaker that I'm just going to destroy, which I got these in all black. That's the reason why I got them in all black, too. But so the Nike swooshes just come right off. They're all Velcro, and you can Velcro multiple swooshes on if you want. I see a lot of people do it on Instagram, which I think is dope. This is how I would style the shoe. I went with the red and the blue, double checks, neons. I think that's so cool. The color blocking works so well with this. I can't wait to put some fire pics together on my IG. If you guys not follow me on IG, my IG is Roscoe_72. ROSZKO_72. Go follow me on there, man. I post a lot of streetwear pics and sneaker related pics too as well. So that one, and then on my other shoe I went with the Hulk colors, lime green and the purple, man. Get ready for that Avengers movie. But anyways, let me know down in the comments below if this is a cop or a drop. I think this is a cop. I think this is one of the dopest Air Force Ones to come out this year. So let me know. I've seen also people do triple checks and then just do 1 check. I don't know. Let me know how you'd style this too. I think just double works well. But let me know. Fits together in the next couple clips. Let me know what fits you like the best too. I got some, put some good looks together for this, so you guys can kind of give you a glimpse of how I would rock it. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I post a couple videos a week, and I appreciate you guys watching, so peace.